Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the gold market. So here results was relatively positive performance recently, but although the overall situation has not been able to avoid some tricks, as I always tell that gold market is the most cunning market among the all others, gold and the treasury bonds. So this is two major most sophisticated markets among the all others. So anyway, here we have some bullish performance recently. Maybe it's not as strong as euro currency, and situation on the intraday charts creates relatively simple picture. So market has to either keep going higher and break the trend line where it stands right now, I will show a bit later, or downside reversal could mean that we could get still deep retracement or some other type of action, but not the action to the 18 even. So by the logic of the overall technical picture, as we said, action to the 18 even now looks more reasonable. It's just because market has great thrust, market has uncompleted important 1618 extension. This and it's not that overbought actually on higher time frames compared to euro. Euro is overbought on the weekly. Gold market is not. So here market has no significant technical actually barriers for upward continuation. But in general, market but in general, the behavior on the intraday chart stands relatively well weak, so it's not really very impressive. On the daily chart, in recent performance, we almost have got bullish reversal bar. Unfortunately, just for the 30 cents, market was not able to close above the previous session. But this performance, while forming the new lows and moving almost above the high of the previous session, this is a good bullish performance. On allow it and take a look, market has not reached the 30% support. So this is not the bread and butter trade. Potentially, as I said, it might be some background for a double rip or something. We'll see. But this is not the pure bread and butter setup. On the 4 time frame chart, just we have said about lack of the wash and rinse here. So I said, well, it's a bit surprising that in the second bottom we do not have the wash and rinse. And immediately on the release of the minutes, gold has shown this wash and rinse. So with the spike, stops have been grabbed right below these areas. So as I said, market wasn't able to avoid the tricky performance as usual in the gold market. And immediately when the stops have been grabbed below this important level, upward action starts. So market now stands about around the trend line that euro already has been broken. So euro right now stands above the C points already. Gold market is not. It stands 2 steps behind the euro currency. And as you can see, now it's challenging the neckline. So from that standpoint, if you have taken long position, you probably could hold them because some kind of the double bottom is appearing. But at the same time, take a look, the market is trapped right now in the 2 lines. First line is a former neck of the hand and shoulders, and to erase the bearish context, market has to break it up. It has to continue upward action. At the same time, we have here some kind of neckline of this minor double bottom pattern. Or let's give market a bit more space, 1745 fib support area. And to hold the bullish context, market has to stay somewhere above the 1745, 1750, 47 area. Because drop below it, breaking 30% level and returning back in the body of this double bottom, it will be failure of the pattern and suggest that market probably will show another downward action. And you can see that market now is trapped in this area. That makes overall trading process relatively simple. So you need just to choose a level where you would like to place your stop, and probably you could hold your long positions for this action and watch what will happen. Indirectly, more points stands in favor of the upward actions, just because the same dollar index stop grabber that we have in favor of further dollar weakness, euro currency performance, and gold is supportive for these factors. But at the same time, on the gold market, behavior tends a bit weaker than on the currencies. So we will see what will happen. Currently, at this point, it's probably not, market is not yet ready for retaking the new shorts. So if you have longs, you probably could hold them. But if you have missed a chance to take the long position yesterday, currently probably, well, it's a bit tricky moment. It would be better to probably consider taking the long position if this level will be broken. I mean, trend line will be broken, then trying to catch it on some pullback. Maybe here is some kind of the symmetry might be formed here, and market could show some minor retracement here down to the trend line. You will be able to buy approximately at the same level, but the technical picture in this time will be absolutely different. It will be more bullish. So that's our view currently on the gold.